Hey everyone, it's Jamila Conway here, founder and CEO of JCX Shred. Thank you all for your constant support. Thank you all for subscribing, liking all the videos, sharing it with your family and friends, and actually taking heed to my videos. Today we're going to be doing a nutrition seminar. It is going to be Thanksgiving edition because today's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. So today we're going to be learning a little bit on healthy eating and cooking tips. You can still eat the same things that you would normally eat during the holidays or anything that you love, but do it a healthier way. So you all like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you share this video on Facebook, on your different social media pages and everything like that. And make sure you all like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. Reading food labels. It is important to read and to understand food labels. Food labels help break down what's inside of the food that you do consume. Choosing reduced sodium, low trans fat, low saturated fat, low cholesterol, and no added sugars are great choices when shopping for your home or for the holidays. To the right is an example of reading and understanding food labels. You see that one has reduced sodium, the other one has the regular amount of sodium. So you see the difference in the salt intake. Steaming your vegetables help retain all nutrients. Steaming your vegetables is the best way to cook your food. Using these techniques, you will see a difference in your diet, your energy level, and overall being. Steam vegetables for about 8 to 10 minutes to allow it to cook and to keep its crunch and flavor. Yum! According to the CDC, recommends steaming vegetables to make the most out of their health benefits, while preserving their low caloric and fat content. Get an affordable steamer today for the holidays. I have the steamer to the lower left. My mom has the one that's to the lower right. We also use fresh vegetables. If we can't get fresh vegetables, we get frozen vegetables, and we eat our food and we cook it for 8 to 10 minutes, and it still keeps its crunch, its color, and flavor. Let's get it, y'all. Baking, grilling, or roasting your turkey for the Thanksgiving holiday is an absolute healthiest way to consume this great lean protein. Lean protein meats have 80% or greater less fat than red meats. Try a skinless turkey today, okay? When cooking your turkey, make sure you're using low sodium, low saturated, low trans fat seasoning products. I am stuffed, okay? Try using a low sodium stuffing for your turkey. Any meat that you want to use, that you want to add stuffing to, make sure you have a reduced sodium. As well as if you're using chicken broth or anything like that, make sure it's low sodium as well. That helps really reduce the high rate of having high blood pressure. Also, you can try the Mrs. Dash seasoning. I personally love it. I use it on everything, and it is salt free, and it adds a little kick to your food. Okay, so go ahead and go to the store and get you all some reduced sodium products as well as salt free seasoning. Where are all my mac and cheese lovers when it comes to Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any type of function? I know you all are trying to figure out how to make Thanksgiving a healthier way this year, and I am here to help you. You want to get cheese that is low in fat and cholesterol. You want to try having whole wheat pasta instead of enriched pasta. Replace whole milk with low fat milk. It cuts down on fats and calories. If you like almond milk like myself, you can use that as well. To add a little kick to your mac and cheese, you can add some green vegetable to it. So it can be broccoli, it can be a little bit of spinach, something to make it a little bit different. Everyone's favorite topic is desserts. That is the key thing when everyone walks in the door and trying to look and see what everybody brought. Everyone's looking for desserts. So here are some different tips that you can use on a day-to-day basis, as well as during Thanksgiving, Christmas, any type of holiday. Here are some wonderful tips on making a healthy dessert. So you want to make sure your dessert is low in fat, cholesterol, and sodium. Use low-fat milk or almond milk instead of using whole milk. Implementing no added sugar products to your dessert, so make sure it's all natural, as well as try to expand your horizon by surfing the internet and trying to see on different recipes on how to make a healthy dessert. Why low sodium products? Sodium is known as salt. When consuming foods with little to no salt, it reduces the risk of having hypertension, also known as high blood pressure, and many health risks align with hypertension. According to the American Heart Association, they recommend no more than 2,300 milligrams a day and move towards an ideal limit of no more than 1,500 milligrams per day. Managing your sodium intake reduces the risk of having heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, kidney disease, and so much more. Why vegetables? Vegetables are very essential to our overall health. Vegetables have great nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Implementing more vegetables in your meal will help your body with regulatory functions. Eating vegetables provide health benefits. People who eat vegetables and fruits as part of their overall healthy diet are likely to have a reduced risk of some chronic diseases. Vegetables provide nutrients vital for health and maintenance of your body. According to ChooseMyPlate.gov, this is how our plate's supposed to look with fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, and protein. Another essential tip for this great holiday and great Thanksgiving is to keep moving. With maintaining a healthy lifestyle means to eat healthy and keep moving. Always make your breakfast in the morning, followed by doing a physical activity you enjoy before the Thanksgiving festives begin. Once you have eaten a great meal with your friends and family, encourage them to walk with you to digest your food well. Always make a great impact by being the change you want to see. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, from JCX Shred and myself, and enjoy.